Leftovers and fresh tomatoes. Let's make lunch today. Man, oh man.
Well, hello, folks. Thought I'd jump on here right quick. Made some stuff yesterday and had these noodles left over, so I thought I'd fix up a little cold salad here. So I got some cucumbers out of the garden. I've cut them up, put them in here. Now I'm gonna cut up these beautiful tomatoes that come out of the garden and put in it, and then I think I'll put this house Italian dressing in it. And then I got some Parmesan cheese. Thought I'd put that in there. These tomatoes cut up. Take me a minute to get all this done. I love cold salad. With these fresh tomatoes. These here are big boys or better boy tomatoes. I'm not gonna put any Cherokee in there. Sort of my private stock. I'm just cutting these sort of bite-sized little pieces. I don't know if there's a recipe. I guess there's a recipe out there. Tomatoes and noodles is something I growed up on. Or got and didn't grow up on them, but when I was a kid, Mama fixed them all the time when tomatoes is in. You know, it's just a way of using up some of your fresh tomatoes. And they sure are good. Well, let's see if that might be enough. Get these things mixed up in here a little bit. What's a big bowl of noodles? We had plenty of noodles left. That looks pretty good, but I'm gonna go ahead and put one more in it, I believe. I believe I can get one more in there and make it look real pretty. Now I've washed these tomatoes up real good. If you're wondering that, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all just come up with, you know, it's tomato and cucumber is really good together. So little green spot there, don't need that in there. All right. That bad boy in there. All right, let's see if we can mix this up a little more now. Give me some salt and pepper. All right. Doctoring it up a little. You can see if there's salt coming out here or not. I guess they are. Boy, that looks good. I ain't put no dressing or cheese in it yet. Let's see. I bought this dressing. We use it like to put over chicken and all that. When we cook some chicken, we'll put this over it. Italian. It's Laura Lynn Italian seasoning. I mean, it's nothing special. It sure does flavor up some stuff. See if that'll do it right there. I like it with just put a little vinegar in it. And I got Parmesan cheese. Put some of it in it. Get it all mixed. All right. Now, it's that time. Let's taste it and see if we need to add something. See if we're gonna need to add something. Some noodle, tomato, and a piece of cucumber. Let's see about it. Man, that's good. Put a little more dressing on it. Yep. All right. It really needs a little more salt. Put a little on top. I should have cut up an onion and put in here, but around here they awesome. All I know is if you got leftover noodles and you got plenty of tomatoes and cucumbers out of your garden, make you some of this right here. A little Parmesan cheese, Italian dressing. You can put ranch dressing in here, whatever kind of dressing you want in here and dress it up. We like it. I like it's Italian, vinegar based stuff. But I just thought I'd jump in here and show y'all this. I had all this stuff here and you need to try it. Give me a comment, tell me how y'all like it. If y'all ever fix it, I'm sure you do. If you're from the South, you gotta have something to do with all these extra tomatoes. If you don't can them, can a little bit and then you still got plenty, I'm fixing to have me a Cherokee Purple and a mayonnaise sandwich, and I bought some bologna the other day. I'm gonna put a slab of bologna on mine. I like bologna, tomato bologna sandwiches. I like mayonnaise on mine. Glenda, she likes mustard on hers, so we'll be eating that here in a little bit. But that's gonna be our lunch today, is this salad and a sandwich. Y'all tell me what y'all had. But anyway, y'all subscribe to us if you would. We'd love to have you. We need you. If you will, just subscribe and just remember God loves you. We love you, and we hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Okay, folks, I'm fixing to make my lunch for this beautiful Sunday afternoon. It's an old Southern classic. Well, I'm gonna put a little bologna on mine. Now you got to lather up both sides. That mayonnaise helps keep that juicy tomato from going through your bread so quick. You can put, sometimes I put cheese on mine too, but I'm not going to today. I'm just going to put some of this bologna on there. If I can get it open. Fingers are slick. One slice of Oscar Mayer thick cut bologna. And then here's the star of the show. Beautiful Cherokee Purple. Man. Not gonna leave no spot uncovered. That tomato's still warm. I just picked it out of the garden. All right, now put the salt and the pepper, plenty of both. Just close that thing up. Mash it down. There she is. Beautiful. Get me a picture of that and then we're gonna go to eat. But let me get my hands wiped off here. Get this stuff out of my way. But this is my lunch right here. And I think y'all let me know in the comments what y'all gonna have for y'all's lunch.